In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clipping mask effects in Canva, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to turn any photo or video into a clean, eye-catching design element using a simple masking workflow. First, log into Canva. Any plan works for this walkthrough. If you're new to Canva, the interface is friendly, and everything we need lives in the left-hand sidebar. Next, create a new design or open an existing project. Pick a size that suits your final use: Instagram post, presentation slide, YouTube thumbnail, or a custom dimension. Starting with the right canvas size helps your masked image look crisp and avoids resizing later. Now place your photo or video on the design page as the background. You can upload your media or choose from your library, drag it onto the canvas, and if you want it to fill the whole page, right-click and set it as background or simply drag to snap it edge to edge. Choose a high contrast image or a clip with a clear focal point for the best mask results. On the left sidebar, click Apps and search for Clipping Mask. This is the tool that creates the shape-based cutout effect. If you don't see it immediately, type the full phrase and select the app from the results to open its panel. Select your background image or video on the canvas, then click Start Masking in the app panel. You'll be prompted to choose a mask style. You can pick a simple shape like a circle or rectangle, something decorative, or use text as a mask. Using text is great for bold titles. Just choose a clear, thick font for better visibility so more of your image shows through. After you've chosen the shape or text, adjust the mask's size and position. Drag the corners to scale and use the on-screen guides to center or align it with other elements. Think about composition. Place important parts of the image inside the mask's safe area and avoid cutting through faces or key details. For videos, scrub the timeline to make sure the masked subject stays in frame across the moment you plan to use. When it looks right, click Add to Design to apply it to your canvas. That's it. You've created a clean clipping mask effect in Canva, perfect for thumbnails, posters, covers, or social posts. Keep experimenting with different shapes, bold typography masks, and varied images to find a style that fits your project.